Let me know if you are able to see my screen.
I can see it well.
Okay, you will see. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, what happened when we're talking about the Amazon Connect? So, you are understood this is the cloud contact center, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in the Amazon Connect, actually, the contact center means someone is calling to the customer care. In between, some IVR, some automations will help to provide the input to the customer, and then based on the input, the route the call to the agent, right? Agent listen
Right.
the calls and then provide the solutions, as you are aware, because you are already working on the contact center, right?
Right.
Right. So Amazon Connect provide to the infrastructures to develop the call flows, IVR call flows. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, in the IVR is multiple channels. If I'm talking about, for example, they have the voice, they have the chat, they have the emails. Okay, these are the
Mm-hmm.
basically three channels. Okay, and based on the channels, if you have the audio calls, that means it's the voice channels, right?
Right.
Someone calling
Mm-hmm.
on the phone number and route the
Mm-hmm.
call to the customer cares. Okay, let me go through the directly instead of the slides to the uh, uh, AWS console. Okay, will be helpful for
Okay.
you to understand more, right? And
Okay.
I will provide mostly on the hands-on experience, and also expected from you. You can do the daily training. Okay, to
Okay.
if I've given something work, so you will do the daily basis. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
once you log in the Amazon Connect or AWS, so you are aware
Mm-hmm.
you have already looked this AWS portal. Okay.
Yes, I am. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So in the AWS, you search, there are 200 service. You need to be search Amazon Connect. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If you see the Amazon Connect, you click and then open the Amazon Connect. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here we will create the instance. Instance means they will include every configurations. For example, this is a one instance, this is a two instance. Okay. And we can
Mm-hmm.
create more. Okay. So for
Mm-hmm.
example, if you want to be create for your client is separately, you just create a separate contact. Okay. We will create
Mm-hmm.
anyway from the scratch. Today, I'm just giving to the heads up what is the actually inside in the Amazon Connect. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the Amazon Connect and this is the my instance. Okay.
Instance. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Instance is there. And this is email channel, telephony. This is all the details. We will go one by one. Let me first log in and showcase to you the functionalities. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here, this is the main screen, admin screen, you can say. Okay. If you are the
Mm-hmm.
admin, you are take care of the Amazon constraints. So you should be have the access of this. So here
Mm-hmm.
you can see first part is the reporting part, where we have the real-time report, we have the historical report, we have login logout report. Okay, we have the
Mm-hmm.
context search report. For example, you are the supervisor, you want to be check how many agent is login, right? Who is taking the
Mm-hmm.
calls, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you can go here in the reporting. I hope you have
I
seen
I
before.
have yeah, I have a question first, please.
Mm,
So if I am building a call center, I will be the
mm.
only one who have access to this full account.
Yes, so if you are
Okay.
the admin, you should be have the access of this.
Okay.
Okay, and you actually this is the reporting part, but if you come down, right, the flow,
Mm-hmm.
prompts, queues, you should be configure all these things. Okay, for
Mm-hmm.
example, your contact center in the US and it's working from 9 to 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you should
Mm-hmm.
be configure hours of operations. Your call should be come in the 9 a.m., right? So you go here
Mm-hmm.
and then configure the operations hours. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all the configurations you need to do. So I will actually will let you know how to configure all these things, all the details, right? How to configure the
Mm-hmm.
queue. For example, you need to be configure basic hours, right? You go
Mm-hmm.
here, you select your time zone. For example, here the New York, but you can configure according to your projects or your
Mm-hmm.
region, right? And here you can configure Sunday from start time to end time, Monday. So all the operations are here. Okay. You can
Mm-hmm.
configure even multiple. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Secondly, most important part is the flow. Flow means let me create one flow for you so you can understand better. Okay.
Mhm.
I will take one example. You call related to the IT help desk. Okay. And you
Mhm.
want to be transfer the call to the particular queue. For example, they have the two queues, one for the password reset, second for the laptop issues. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me create for you so you can understand better. You can create the flow from here. Okay.
Mhm.
First, you need to go the logging. It's a simple drag and drop, and you can connect it. Okay. Enable.
Mhm.
Second, you want to be record the call, right? So you
Mhm.
just select here the recording, drag and drop, connect, open this voice, should be enable the voice. And here the options, you can enable agent and customer interactions. Okay,
Mhm.
you click on this and save it. Okay, now
Mhm.
you need to be play the some prompt, play prompt. Okay, you need to be play welcome in my company.
Mhm.
So you just go text to speech and play, just type here, welcome to uh, welcome to my company, something. Okay, what is your company name? And save it.
Mhm.
Now you configure the menus. For example, press one, press two, press three. Okay. So here is the prompt customer input, get customer input. Okay. So it's very simple actually. You just go here and drag and drop. You just select it, and here you just type. Or you can select the prompt, inbuilt prompt, or you can text to speech. Uh, Press one for IT help desk. Okay. Yeah, IT related
Mhm.
issue. Press two for HR related issue. Okay. And save it.
Mhm.
Just add the options one and two.
Awesome.
Okay.
Mhm.
So once you add here, you can see one and two, right? Now
Mhm.
you go to the queue, set queue, set working queue. Okay. So that means you can go here. If anyone is press one, right? You transfer the call to the queue. So
Awesome.
queue, whatever the queue you have, you can create and select here. Okay. Same way,
Mhm.
you can drag and drop one more. Okay. And
Mhm.
select two. Okay. Here, if you create
Mhm.
one more queue, you can just select it. Right now is the only one. I'm showing to the one. Okay.
Mhm.
Save it. And then transfer the
Mhm.
queue. Okay. That means call is here, that means you are setting in which queue if press one, anyone should be go to in this queue, and this queue is transfer, okay, to the agent.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. So this is the simple call flow. You give a name, my test flow, okay, and
Mhm.
publish it. Okay. So
Mhm.
meanwhile, just I am connected here. If someone is not pressing anything, by default going in this queue, for example, save it. Okay, and you can just one more is required. Disconnect. Okay, so you want to learn like this, right? The all the call flow connect, right?
Yes.
Yes. So like this, save it and publish. Okay,
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
that means our call flow is published. Okay. Here,
Okay.
you can take the phone numbers. Okay. Let me show you. So here, you can claim a number directly. For example, voice number you want, just select the voice,
Mhm.
the IDs. You will just select the whatever country
Mhm.
you want. Okay.
Mhm.
So for example, let me choose this one. Okay.
Mhm.
And then save it. Right now, this number is not available. Let me try again. Okay. Choose some other number.
Mhm. Mhm.
So sometimes you face the issues. A number already is from someone is procured.
Mhm.
So you go again, you just select another number. Let me try this one. Oh, try a different again.
Mhm.
So you go there, select again. Let me try to the UK this time. Okay. And then save
Mhm.
it. So number is available, right? So that means he will provide the number. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
within a minute. So that is the beauty of the cloud, right? Uh,
Mhm.
you need numbers, you can, right? And you can assign the flow, which you have created, right? So you create a
Mhm.
test flow, you just select it, okay?
Mhm.
And then save it,
Okay.
okay? So if you call in this number, so whatever you develop it, right? You can directly make a call and then hear the IVR, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is, let me show you again. So here you can test also. This is the agent panel. I hope you are aware for the agents, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. So
Mhm.
right now, number is not configured. So what you do, you go to here in the queue. Anyway, don't worry. I will go to one all. So today is that just a demo. I am showing to the main things. Okay. But
Okay.
I will show you how to configure the queues, how to configure the phone numbers. So go to the queues, assign the number, save it. Okay. So
Mhm.
that means you are applicable to dial the numbers. So once you handle the call, sometimes you are not able to outbound call. So that kind of issues you have, you will be facing here. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. New phone number. Let me check again. This one. Yes, is a sign. The follow flow. Save it. Okay. And you can go to the routing profile and check it. So routing profile is used to assign to the agent to take a calls for multiple queues. Okay.
Okay.
So you are aware for all the terms, queues, routing profiles, agent, prompts, call flow, or not? You tell me, right? So I will explain to one by one from the starting. Okay.
Yes, I'm not.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
So no worries. I will explain to all. Okay.
Mhm.
Now you're able to make a call, right? Uh,
Mhm.
I'm not sure you are able to hear or not. It is
No,
playing
I
the
cannot
IVR.
hear. I
Uh,
cannot hear.
let me share the voice first. How to share the voice? Mm, more options. Record, transcript, share the voice, right? I'm not sure how to share the voice in the team meeting.
Okay.
Uh, let me check. Or you can dial this number from your sides if you are. available, or I will give the number to you. Okay. So
Like on
yeah,
my phone, on my
this
phone.
no, no, I got the options. Share computer voice. Okay. So anyway, you can also dial. You tell me.
Press 1 for IT related issue, press 2 for HR related issue. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
You can hear, right?
Yes, I can see.
So you can see the beauty of the cloud, right? Within 10, 20 minutes, I create the call flow, assign the queues, and go to the queues, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this is the just I give the just the idea is about the call flow, how to create it. Okay, but now
Yeah.
we will go one by one. Okay,
I can
so I
still
will
hear
start.
there's a music coming from the background. Okay, it stopped. No, it's still there.
So music is actually the queue music. For example, in the contact center, agent is not available. You're calling queue. Okay, and play the queue
Okay.
music. Okay. So we will go one by one, all the functionality. So you will learn in the details, right? If, for example, your manager want to be change the queue music, right? Or you want to the callback
Mm-hmm.
also need to be configured contact centers, right? How to change it, okay? So
Mm-hmm.
all code flows is here, okay? For example, your queries, let's say you want to be change the queue music, right? Of the queues, how to change it,
Mm-hmm.
right? So
Mm-hmm.
here you go to the customer queue, right? Apply it. So here, this is my customer queue. Okay. And here the audio files. You just need to change the audio files from here. So for example, here, this is the music actually. Customer queue.wave. So select here another music or whatever the customer provide to you. You can select and change it. Okay. So different
Okay.
music will be played for you. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
how it's work? Basically, if you notice it, when you go to the phone number, right? When you dial this phone number assigned to the call flow to IVR, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the IVR call flow, you define the your logic. Okay. So let me open. So what is your logic? So can you tell me about some things what we have done till now? So let me explain first note. This is the logging. So logging coming in the picture if you need to the troubleshoot what happening in the call flow. For example, you raise a ticket to the IT team. I am not able to take the calls. Call is disconnected somewhere in the IVR, right? Then
Mm-hmm.
this logging is help to check the logs. Okay, I will let you know how to check the logs for particular calls. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
after this, second node is the recording of the agent and customer. So what
Mm-hmm.
you talk to the customer, so your supervisor or managers can be listening the calls, how to talk to the customer, right? For the quality purpose, right? Then this
Mm-hmm.
node come on the picture. Okay. So here you can configure the sentiment, machine learning, all the QA part. So here you can see screen recording, voice recording, chat recording, and this is the main actually AI capabilities, contact lens. So it is automatically convert your audio file into the transcript. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you face some issues, you let me know. If you want to understand more about the particular topics. Okay. And
Okay.
uh, after two, this is the my logging. Both are my logging. Now I play some welcome script, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you can demand to the customer, you can share me the audio files or you can share me the text to speech. After they will share with you, you can directly configure here or you can select the audio files if they will share the audio files with you. Select the audio files, for example, this one, save it. That's it. Okay. After it, you can configure the input output, right? So you need to be some input, press one, press two, press three, press four.
Mm-hmm.
So you can configure here the input. Okay. And based on that, you just transfer the code in the queues. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Mm-hmm.
is a simple flow for route the call to the customer care. But yes, we can more go in details to create a dynamic call flows. Okay. And let me know one more thing. Have you any idea of programming language?
No, I don't have any idea of a programming language. I just
Why I'm
know, I know the
asking?
names. There's
Mhm.
Python, I know there's JSON.
Yes, yes. Why I'm asking this? We can integrate air to the Lambda.
There's a music coming from the background. Can we please stop it? Or it's just still the call?
Still coming?
Yeah,
Sure, what is going on? Might be this one.
yeah,
Let
it's good.
me let it. Still? Or
Okay.
is now
Yes, it
stopped?
stopped. It stopped.
So yes, so I'm here, right? So why I'm talking to about your so if you want to be make some dynamic things, right? So I will teach you the Lambda function as well. Okay. So Lambda
Mhm.
functions is help to the integrations with third-party tools, maybe Salesforce, maybe ServiceNow, or maybe some CRM systems. Okay. But let's say first we will go for this connect functionalities one by one. Then we will
Mhm.
discuss in the detail about the integrations with the different services of the Amazon Connect. Okay,
Okay.
okay. And have you the AWS account?
Yes, I have an AWS account.
Okay. So, what we actually do, first, you will tomorrow share your screen or when we will discuss, right? So, you will
Mm-hmm.
create from the scratch the Amazon Connect stance. I will guide to you on the calls.
Okay.
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 So, we will go at a practical more, right? In detail.
Okay.
So, I want you can do from the scratch everything. Okay. Everything.
Okay.
Okay, so you will get the confidence, right? And then
Yes.
we'll go detail for everything here in the all the menu. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Uh, because I'm hopefully you will learn better. Okay, and all the details. It's my promise to
Mm-hmm.
you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
today is the short sessions because just the overview of the Amazon Connect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
from the next one, you should be have the Amazon Connect stance. So we will go in details from the scratch. You so in the first class, I will let you know. You create the stance from here, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
I will
Mm-hmm.
let you know what is the all different options. What is that means? Why we choose this one? Why you choose this one? Okay, and we
Okay.
can give some name and create the stance. Once you create the stance, you get this picture. Then I will explain all these fields as well as this one by one. Okay? And and
Okay.
uh, and yes, a little bit tight for you because I will give the homework to you. You should be done. Okay. Otherwise,
That's fine.
no use of the classes. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Because this is the only practice make perfect to you because
That-
the configurations things. That's why I'm saying. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Peter.
Okay.
Yeah,
Are
can
you
Okay.
we
here?
discuss
Yes.
about the timings as well?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, what timing suit to you?
I was shooting for we could still maintain it at 9, my time, Central Time. So I wanted to
Mm.
know how long the entire course, how many hours are we going
So, my
to?
main objective cover all the topics. Okay. So, is might be 30-35 hours. Okay. In
Okay.
between.
Mm-hmm.
But if take
Mm-hmm.
long, no worries. I am here. So, my job you to learn all these details. Okay. If take more, so I'm happy. Mhm.
Okay. So every day, how many hours are we gonna?
Yeah, generally 30-35 hours is done, but it's up to you how to you catch up it. Okay.